Why do airplanes leave those white trails? They look like lines drawn in the sky, but behind them lies a fascinating scientific phenomenon. Let's start from the beginning. Airliners fly very high, above 10,000 meters. At this altitude, the air is extremely cold. Temperatures can drop below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, when an airplane flies, its engines burn fuel just like a car and produce very hot exhaust gases. These gases contain several components, including carbon dioxide, particles, and, most importantly, water vapor. What happens at these altitudes? When the hot vapor exits the engines and mixes with the freezing air, it cools instantly. At such low temperatures, the vapor turns into tiny water droplets, or, more often, into ice crystals. These ice crystals are what form the white trail we see. To make a comparison, it's the same phenomenon that happens in winter when you breathe out. The warm air from your breath mixes with the cold air, and the vapor becomes visible as a small misty cloud. Why do some trails disappear quickly while others linger? Here's something interesting. Not all trails are the same. Some disappear within seconds, while others remain visible for a long time and stretch across the sky. Why does this happen? It all depends on the humidity of the air. If the air is dry, the trail evaporates quickly and vanishes. If the air is very humid, the trail lasts longer and may even spread out, forming those long, persistent white streaks in the sky. So, the duration and appearance of contrails depend on the weather and atmospheric conditions at high altitudes. A bit of trivia. These trails are called condensation trails, or contrails for short. They are not dangerous. They're made up of nothing more than water in the form of ice or vapor, just like clouds. However, scientists study contrails because they can have a small impact on the climate. Like clouds, contrails can reflect sunlight or trap heat in the atmosphere, which can sometimes influence the Earth's energy balance. Did you know scientists also use contrails to study the climate? By analyzing them, they can learn about humidity and temperatures at high altitudes, valuable information for understanding climate change. And now let's bust some myths. You might have heard strange theories about airplane trails. In reality, there's no mystery behind them. They're simply the result of physics and chemistry happening at high altitudes. In conclusion, the next time you look up and see a white trail in the sky, you can tell your friends it's just water turned into ice, thanks to the cold and humidity. It's all natural and fascinating, a perfect example of how science is all around us.